Welcome back, guys. Now, I've been invited down to Gourmet Burger and Shake in Ashton-under-Lyne to try their new salt and pepper Donner box. Check that bad boy out. Now, this retails for £12, absolute bargain. You got your salt and pepper chicken burger in there. You got your salt and pepper chips with salt and pepper Donner and onion rings. So yeah, you can have this for two as well if you want it for you and your missus. It's £22, so it's saving you £2. So yeah, check that bad boy out. Now the smell's coming off this. If I had smell-o-vision, I would be a millionaire. So yeah, let's get straight into this. That salt and pepper Donner, really nice. Well, fries lovely, tasty. Got a lovely crunch to it. Oh, now spring onions, really tasty that. Onion ring. This is salt and pepper done right. Now, let's get into this burger. Oh, it's a big boy. Oh. Oh. Lovely moist chicken. The coating though is lovely and crunchy, absolutely tasty as anything. Guys, that is really nice. Oh. Salt and pepper loaded Donner box, absolutely fantastic. Gourmet Burger and Shake, Ashton-under-Lyne. You can order direct. Pick up the phone, ring them up, they'll have it to you rapid. Salt and pepper Donner box is absolutely fantastic. Definitely a fat man's wet dream. Thank you for inviting me down to review this one. Really tasty. Guys, get it while you can. This is going to sell out absolute fire. Peace.